Good morning and Happy New Year. I'm Liz Costanzo, the Pre-K-12 ISS for Social Studies located at headquarters in Alexandria, Virginia. This year, the format for our professional learning has changed. I'm going to give you a quick tour of how the professional learning is going to work. Eventually, we will be moving all of our resources to this site. For now, they remain the same, and what we have here for you now is our professional learning. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to scroll down and click on Back to School. You're going to notice on our landing page is the agenda for the 2 days and also a different way to access the resources. So you have two options. First, you're going to watch the video from Dr. Lisa Holloway, and then we have another video for you to watch about making connections, and that's our theme for Back to School is making connections. So you're going to watch the video on making connections. Then you have two options on how to get into the course. You can either use the Next button, which is at the top of the page, and you're going to click on that. And you're actually going to click 3 times. Then once you're there, you're going to be at this page that says, let's get started. And from here, you simply click on the Next button and it's going to take you through the course. If you want to use the other option, let me go back. We click on Back to School. And then you scroll down. And there's also the folders down here, and these tell us what you're going to be doing over those 2 days. So if you go in this way, click on Making Connections, you're in the folder, and then simply click on Next, and that will take you to the same page. So 2 ways to get in. This is our new format. We hope you like it. We're still working on some of the glitches. So enjoy the day, and Happy New Year.